That is thrown by number 23, Ramirez. Complete two players. Our Brazil Ramirez. Nave. Pass number 9 back to Nave. Nave now with the sequence to number 18. There's Solisco, pressing down. Foul number 23, Ramirez. Number 23, Ramirez. Third personal foul, a second personal foul, one foul balance. From the silver and the foul by Alvarez. The ball by number 18. There's the whistle. Foul number 6, Brennan. Substitution. Number 6, Brennan. First personal foul. 2 fouls. Balance. First strike taken out, ball back. Yes. Now the sixth battle. Battle there. The ball taken out. Donata Salvarez. Now passing out the number 9 towards you. Targeting out by number 9, Luis. Number 16. Abbas, rebound by number 9, pass on the lead. Abbas, number 21, Abbas, the goal. Rating 9 minutes of the lead. Singles. Taking Simons to shoot. Abbas, first of whistle. Foul number 80. Substitution. Number 8, first whistle, all the way for penalty. Side. Let's see the over seven. Taking a throw one play. And ball taken out. That's number 8 to number 80. Number 8. Number 8 now. With Simons Jr. Number 8, Los Ceres on the 9. Yes, Lopez taken out. Remain by Sally. 3 minutes. Scoring out to the defense lead. For the best lead by Ramirez and then Simons Jr. pass the receiver across. There is Sola. Down number 87 of the Racing. Number 87 of the Racing, Simon Sola. Cleveland. There is Sonny on back.
Sino magtulog?
Kasi nakuha.
Paras na ni Jackson itong pagbuha.
Jackson?
Wala. Si Jackson, Juli. Agay.
May pa na sa Jackson. Naglingkod.
Amo ka na yung makapuan. Enjoy.
Piang?
Loy? Wala na piyak? Agoy, ginulo. Pagpapait ka.
Napiang?
Ha? Na, dumagay na pa. Saan mo ito?
Iya naman niyok view.
Tumaon ka.
Iya naman niyok.
Na, matupag ka nga.
The number 2, the Back now, the big ball over third, Buster, and Daniel. Daniel pass over the bus, and Simon Saju. Renatos now over third, and Simon Saju, 9, 8, 7, and the same way for 9. Pass over the pass over 9. Number 9, exciting pass. There is some words, but the long line will pass. And now pass over the post. Because he wants to shoot by this. And receive by it. Number 3 assists. There is a whistle. Oh, here we go. Substitution. Ada bawah. Yang kita lagi 15 sekali. Substitution. Pangalawa sa pinili ko sa nasa round mo. Pass over this. The SC. The red. Nagkakakay mo na. Pinapass ko ang base. Ang base lebih bonus. Yes, bonus. Bagi ang base. Repeat bagi one at the Seekers.
Sabihin mo na nag-score. Nagtabi pang nag-score.
May ako nung edit score no?
Pataka, 1-0. Ha? 1-0 kung nag-score.
Baby, And sequence 3, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, and Sivan Gordon is scoring now 39